Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a highlighter that I found at the drugstore. I don't know if it is new or if I'm just late. Most likely I'm just late to the party. But if you want to find out what it is, then okay. So this is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Amour Glow Boosting Drops. They look like this. See if you can see that. I got the gold one. There was a pinky shade, but to me in the bottle it just looked way too pink. So I didn't get that one. This is the Golden Glow. It says shake well before use, apply alone or mix with makeup or skincare for all over glow. Oh, so this isn't technically a highlighter, but okay. All right, I'm gonna try to use it as a highlighter. I'm gonna open it. It does come with a dropper, as you guys can see. You can see it, it comes with a dropper. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna swatch it first. It's like liquidy. Okay. This is not what I expected. That is what just came out of the bottle. That looks like mud. It's not glowy. It's not even shiny. It's literally like, I mean, there's a sheen, but it's not glowy at all. It literally looks like, I don't know. I spent $14 on this. I'm not happy. Let me see. I mean, there's a little bit. I'm gonna try to put some on my face and see how it goes. I have a full face on. I'm just dotting it because I don't trust it. Okay. It blends in and you could kind of tell. Yeah, you can kind of tell that it's there. It definitely looks different with your makeup on. It blends in with it. Wow. And it's even dried. As you can see, it's pretty glowy, but I've used glowier. I'm gonna try on the nose. It definitely changes its tone when it's mixed in with the foundation. This doesn't give you a sort of like beaming glow, but it's more of a natural glow from within, I guess you could say. It's not bad once on the, like, on the face mixed with the makeup. On the hand, it just looks like straight mud. It looks like straight up mud. So, thoughts. I am more of a glowy person. This, to me, did not do me justice. If you are not in the market for a beaming highlighter, I would go with this if you're just trying to mix it with your foundation. and things like that. I'm probably going to try to do that one of these days. I might want to do that with the Estee Lauder foundation because that one tends to make me look more dry because it is a matte. So maybe I'll mix it with a few drops of this and see what happens. And that might come out really, really good. But this is just a glow from within. This is no extravagant highlighter from the drugstore. Unfortunately, I thought it would because it is the drops. But if you're more in the market for a subtle glow from within, I would definitely go with this guy from the drugstore. Again, it is still pretty pricey for just that. $14.95 I bought this for, and it's 1 ounce. Oh, it's not even an ounce. It's 0.47 fluid ounces, and I paid $15 for it. So I would go to the drugstore and use the tester first, unlike me, and see which one works for you and see if it's even good enough for you. But yeah, that is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Amour drops. Definitely used for mixing with foundation, not really as a highlighter, unfortunately. But that is my review for that. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys subscribe before you leave and turn on notifications to be notified for when I post videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.